Living with children brings a whole lot of joy, love and laughter into our homes. But it can also mean a little bit of chaos, a whole lot of mess, and what feels like a never-ending list of spaces to organise and declutter. Well, here at IKEA, we have a few tips and tricks up our sleeve that we think we want to share with you today to get it under control. Now, my name is Georgia. I'm an IKEA co-worker, I'm a storage lover, and I'm also your IKEA Live host for today's live session. Now, joining me today, I won't skip to that just yet. If you're joining us live, what I need you to know is if you're on the website, it means that you can interact with our moderators. We have Drew and Abby on the standby to answer all of your burning questions. If you're joining us on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, you can also be part of the party and you can jump across by following the link. Now, jumping back to what I was saying, joining me today is a home furnishing expert. He's one of my dear colleagues and friends with 15 years as an interior designer under his belt all over the world. He also has a bit of street cred as a dad. Welcome, Rizal.
Hello, Georgia. Hi, everyone. My name is Rizal. I'm the interior designer here in IKEA. Like Georgia mentioned, I'm a dad, so hopefully I can answer some frustrations that you have with living with kids in a living with kids' bedroom. But I'll give you some ideas and suggestions of how I can deal with it. So let's come with the journey with us so we can go through some stuff in here.
Yeah, we'll jump into it because I'm sure everyone's very excited about what's happening behind us. So I think I'm seeing a boys' room. Who lives here?
Oh, so if you come closer, so this is Chris and Ethan's room.
Okay.
Little Chris is 7 and Ethan's 9.
Do you think little Chris would mind if I sat on the bed?
Why not? so as you can see, Ethan's the older brother.
Okay.
He gets top bunk. I remember I shared a room with my brothers.
Yes.
So I always get top bunk.
Yes, okay.
Because I don't want my little brother getting my stuff. So
keep it out of the way.
yeah, and also Chris is a bit younger, so for safety purpose, we don't recommend him at the top bunk.
Yes.
Because, you know, boys can be boisterous.
Absolutely.
They can kind of jump from top to the bottom. That's
This is like the ultimate crash. It's two brothers, which I'm sure a lot of parents have this situation happening at home.
Yes.
But what comes with that is two boys with completely different personalities.
Yeah.
I'm seeing two very clear personalities happening here, but you've done this in a way that's so cohesive. So we've got the soccer fan.
Yes, as you can see, little Chris, he's a soccer fanatic, he's a bit more active, he's more like a sporty boy. And then on the top is Ethan.
Okay.
He's a bit more of the artsy kind of dude. He likes to do his drawings, his comics, so you can kind of see like the stuff is all kind of there, so you can see his personality shine through.
He's inspired to draw late night, getting creative. I love that. I can completely understand how that feels.
Pretty much.
Now, these two boys share a space, but you've done this in a way that this is quite small.
Yeah.
Having the bed pushed against the wall, also a bunk bed, creates a whole heap of space here.
Yes.
To the point where I feel like I could pretty much have a game of soccer on the floor.
There's a point here. I'll show you. So.
Oh, no way. It's like a little soccer field. Stop it. Complete with a net. I actually just thought that was a laundry basket. There you go.
Here you go, Georgia. Have a kick.
Oh, no. This is not my natural skill set, but I'll give it a go. Oh, she scores. I've had my own Matilda moment.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
So what we try to do, make sure that brothers share like things that can, activities that active play, so that they can be off the screen. So do more activities that they can be more active and share. Yeah.
And it encourages them to come into their room, which I love. This would be the envy of all the kids in the street.
I hope, yes.
I love it. Okay, so we can easily slide this away, but I can't help but notice there's something happening in underneath the bed. Can you maybe talk me through the use of a space down here? I don't think a lot of parents would think to use this.
So living in small spaces, making use of like spaces under the bed is great. So this is the plastic mat, because little Chris is, like I said, active, right? He's boisterous. So this is great for him to do all these gymnastic stuff, so he doesn't hit the head on the floor, because this is like cushiony.
This is a literal launch pad. I love it. And it just neatly folds away.
And then it just tucks back under the bed.
And then what is happening in this little box?
All right, so this is a storage kind of system where you utilize under the bed. It's for like seasonal textiles and stuff. Like, you know, when mom keeps all their bed linens, so it has like the zip, so you can zip it up, so all the kind of covers won't get dusty. Brilliant.
What I love about this is actually, I know personally, linen cupboards are really there's not a lot of space in them.
Yeah.
So by keeping these textiles here,
Yeah.
what we have is a whole heap of space freed up in our linen cupboards for towels and extra guest linens.
Yeah,
and,
for sure.
and it's dust free. So
Yes.
good. Away.
And it's just in the room as well. So, yeah.
Amazing. So to recap, we've got this amazing bunk pushed against the wall, creating all this space for active play.
Yep.
You've got the textiles, but the punches of colour, the personality of the
Yeah.
boys really creeping out, but in a way that is so cohesive.
Contrasting, fun, playful. That's what we want for in the boys' room.
I love it. And then you have used all of the space under the bed, which a lot of us forget exists. That's so clever. I love it.
Oh, thanks.
Really well done. So we've got sleeping, we've got active play. Where are we getting dressed?
Oh, come over here.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Oh, this is the wardrobe.
So this is our Smart Start wardrobe for children.
Okay.
So it's a very modular system, so it's very smart. So you can kind of do many things. You can create a wardrobe, put some drawers, doors come in different colors.
Amazing.
But what I can show that is smart
Is this both boys?
for both boys, yes.
In the one? Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
Amazing.
let me open this door and show you.
Okay.
So little Chris, he's a young one, so you can see the height. So we purposely did the rail for him at his height so that he can get rest himself,
Amazing.
but also kind of clean up after himself. How many parents have that frustration that things are everywhere? But if you can educate the kids to put things away where they can reach,
Absolutely.
hopefully it helps.
Hopefully.
It helps.
I see we've gone for a rail, but we also have this hanging storage situation, which is giving you some shelves.
Yeah, so this Rassler box is an affordable way to kind of not add more shelves to this wardrobe for the price.
Yes.
So same thing, little Chris can kind of reach it, put it back. Mom can organize it accordingly. So yeah, he can clean it up to himself.
How many people have those painful built-ins in their life where something like this would actually provide the ultimate solution? I know we have similar things in the range for adults as well.
Yes. So for adults, we have a similar thing like this called SCUP. So you can find it down in our home organization department. Yeah.
Amazing. Awesome. Okay, so this is little Chris.
Yes.
I actually love these. I don't know if you can see these. It's great little hooks.
Great accessories that Smart Start comes with these hooks.
So many hats, little Chris.
Yes.
Too many hats. Okay, and then this is
This is Ethan. So he's the older brother.
Okay.
Obviously, then the rail is made to the height of the older brother. Similar situation. If he can reach it, he can dress himself.
Yes.
And this little mirror, this is a good touch.
He's
'cause
hit that age.
He's trying to be cool now, so he wants to see his face.
I love it.
How he dress.
Being tactile, sorry, I love the way this feels.
Yes. So
And
guess
I noticed
what?
it's a chalkboard.
Yes, it is a chalkboard.
I feel like this was my dream as a child.
Yeah.
to
It can
draw
be
on my wardrobe.
customized accordingly. So remember that goal that you kicked? So
I would have had a little point there. Love.
Georgia won.
I love that. Okay, and then I have to draw a bit of attention to this situation. These are so cute.
Yeah, so Smart Start, we come with these kind of accessories with the labels. I think it's good for kids, right? The more visual, the more straightforward, they understand how to put things where it belongs.
Yes.
And we also have this stool organizer, so you can kind of organize it with like white socks, colored socks.
I love that. I love the areas of my home.
For
Organising my craft studio. Yeah, now I'm shopping for me. I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is two boys in one. Two very different ages as well.
Yep.
We've customized it. You spoke about different coloured doors.
Yeah.
So I can keep the frame, but I can change the door at a later stage.
Pretty much. And if little Chris is like a bit more older, he's gonna grow, this can be customizable again. So he can have his real top like his brother, Ethan.
Oh,
So it grows with the family.
I have to ask. I'm seeing a space moment happening up here. Some soft storage.
So we also utilize kind of like your height. So, you know, that space, use it for things that you don't use every day. So this box is pretty good because it has like a little handle here. It's lightweight. And you can just put things that you don't use every day. This is, soft toys that they still want to keep.
Some guy. And I love the space thing. This is very cool.
Yeah,
is this
that's
a
new.
new range?
Yeah, new range.
Amazing. Okay. It's all happening over in this wardrobe. I mean, it wouldn't be enough, but it's a good start. And this is fabulous too. Amazing result. Really cool solutions.
Thanks.
If anybody is interested, jump in that chat. Let us know what you're thinking, how you're feeling. Send us some love. We want to see that you're there, following along. I'm thinking we've spoken about sleeping. We've spoken about getting dressed. I've got a lot of stuff in my life, and you mentioned that these boys have hobbies. And where's all of the bits?
Come
Where
over
am
here.
I keeping my stuff?
Show you.
Oh, this makes total sense.
So over here we have the trophy storage system.
Oh,
so
naturally.
you have like boxes that has organized little bits in here. So you can customize it. So E for Ethan, C for Chris. Also color coordinate. It's light enough that you can kind of like put it here and like put it back, so they can kind of clean up themselves and organize themselves. Yeah.
Sorry about the technical difficulties. We are in a real store, in a live store, so something like that was bound to happen. Yeah. But you just got to roll with the show. Sorry. So you were saying it's an organizer, all the bits and bobs.
Yes.
We've got the mesh as well, which means I can see what I'm storing.
Pretty much.
I love that, and
Yeah.
I love this little detail. That's so cute.
Yeah.
At least he knows where he's got to put his stuff.
Exactly.
We're seeing it. We're keeping it stored away. We can pull it out when we want to see.
So over here, Trophies is not only for that bottom bit, but it also is for for the top. You can kind of do like wall storage.
Okay.
And maximize your wall.
Yes.
Especially in like small space. So
Oh, the dreaded Lego. The dreaded Lego. Every mum and dad has some of this in their life, and we've all stood on one of these before.
Yes.
It's painful.
there you go. It's lightweight, and then it can kind of clean up itself and put it back
Yes.
together. And all wall storage system here that we created as a display.
Okay.
Because I know when I was a brother with my siblings, we try to like do Legos and want to display our items.
Of course.
Yeah, especially when friends come over, we can kind of flex.
This took you what, a whole 2 minutes to build?
Yeah,
so
pretty much.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then mum gets a little moment up here. She's very proud of these boys, so somewhere for her to put some certificates and acknowledge
Yeah.
their achievements. I love that. And a bit of art, some of the drawings.
Yeah, this is like a personalization, their character, their personality. So put some art
So
to kind of
cute.
create that personal touch in the room.
I love it. And this little guy. Oh,
Yeah.
amazing. Book storage. Now, I think I saw in the chat before, there was a question about what is this crazy situation? And I feel like I can't go past it. I need you to put this on for me, Rizal.
Sure thing.
Okay, over the head.
All right,
This
do you
is-
remember like playing kind of tag? This is like a similar system.
Okay. Oh, is this what this was for?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And now I can
show
just-
it on me.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the ultimate Christmas present.
Make it a game. Everything is a game.
Everything is a game.
Yeah.
I love it. No, you have to stay wearing that
sure.
now. Okay, amazing. So the walls, you mentioned maximizing the space that we have.
Yes.
Going up creates space for active play.
Correct.
So, active play? Talk me through this.
Actively. All right. How many times, as a dad, like you see kind of clothes piling on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
But if you're making an activity of like something cool, try this out.
You want me
Show
to?
this
Oh, no.
there.
Again, we're showing off my not athletic abilities.
But
here.
it's fine.
Okay, I'm using it as a target. I'm going to give myself the best chance of getting this in. Oh, we've lost a fish. Lost a
Almost.
fish. I have to have another go. Hang
Okay,
on,
sure. Why not?
It's got to go close. That's nothing for you to see here.
See, if it's a game for kids to kind of like clean up under themselves, make it fun.
Yes.
Hopefully, they'll get into it and they start cleaning up.
I love
Yeah.
that. I
Yeah.
love that. And then they can keep score every time they get a pair
they
of
can
dirty
keep score
socks
there.
in the basket. See, this is a goal. It's a laundry basket. It's storage. It's
It's just
really
a
cool
fun,
product.
playful thing for the kids.
I mean, what do you guys think? Do we love this? Give it some love. So great. Okay, so many solutions.
Yeah.
The bed, clever use of space, all these amazing wall solutions around the textiles, the coordination. We're seeing the personalities of the boys. Then we moved over to the wardrobe.
Sure.
We spoke about it's customizable.
Yes.
Again, personalities through the colours, the doors, the accessories, and then all the little bits that you popped inside to help us stay organised on
Yeah.
the inside. And then we moved over into this amazing wall storage, floor storage. It doubles as a bench. It's a display cabinet. Like, this is so cool. I love what you've done in here.
Yes.
4 tiny walls.
Yeah, we love to collaborate with people. This is also a collaboration with two actual boys.
2 real boys.
Yeah, 2 real boys. So from then we just created the solution together. So,
And
yeah.
you just talked to them about what it is they felt they needed, what they loved.
Yes, what the personality is. So you can see in kind of like the bunk beds and like what they do play, how they can share storage together. Yeah.
This is what we love about IKEA, because when you come here, you feel like real people live in these spaces. It's so amazing. Now, I'm sure a lot of people are feeling very inspired, but maybe you don't know where to start. Rizal, we also have a solution for that.
Yeah, we have an interior design service here in store. So you can come to the store and make an appointment to see them. or you can kind of make a virtual appointment and do an online kind of appointment as well. But if you need to know more, click the link. There's a link to in the website for this service, so you know all the information in there.
That sounds like so much fun.
Yeah.
Sounds like so much fun. Speaking of fun, this has been incredible. We have loved welcoming you into this space, seeing you joining in the chat, taking you through some of your incredible solutions.
Oh, thanks,
We're really
George.
grateful that you came along, but don't forget, there's a big store to come and visit as well. We have all of this stuff happening in store at the moment, and you can come and see it for real. That's all from us.
Yes.
My
thank
name
you
is
very
Georgia.
much.
This is Rizal.
Yep.
Thank you so much for joining us. See you later.
See ya.